Selecting what deserves to appear in a top 10 is often a challenge, and IDEF 2019 is the case anyway. Here is what Army Recognition has chosen to show you. An electromagnetic railgun uses electricity instead of an explosive propellant to launch a projectile. It can shoot at hypersonic velocities, actually at Mach 6 and above, at a very low cost compared to conventional gunpowder systems, and it has a much higher and more destructive power. The SAHI 209 Block 1 railgun developed by Yeteknoloji has a range of 10 kilometers. The SAHI 209 Block 2 would even be effective at 50 kilometers. The weapon is designed to be used either from a land or naval platform. Roketsan unveiled its Alka, a direct energy or laser weapon system. Its most popular targets are drones, even micro-UAVs attacking in swarms and at top speeds of 150 km per hour and 50 meters away. The system with its internal power unit is light enough to be mounted on a 4x4 vehicle. Roketsan unveiled a laser-guided miniature missile system that can be fired using a new generation of man-portable 40mm grenade launcher. It has a greater effective range than the maximum range of existing launch grenades, with a 1 meter precision. It weighs less than 1 kilo and measures less than 40 centimeters, which enables integration of the system even with mini UAVs. Aselsan unveiled the GOKDENIZ, a naval version of the short-range, self-propelled air defense 35mm gun systems that provides effective air defense against targets such as subsonic and supersonic anti-ship missiles, UAVs, fighter jets, helicopters, and asymmetric surface threats. The GOKDENIZ is able to perform target detection, identification, tracking and kill operations in full autonomous mode, even at night and under harsh weather conditions. The system can be operated by one man or in full autonomous mode. OTOKAR unveiled the AKREP IIe, a fully electric armored vehicle based on the AKREP 4x4. The AKREP IIe features a powerful electric motor integrated to the axles, coupled with an advanced battery pack. The vehicle displayed by OTOKAR was a light reconnaissance vehicle fitted with a remotely operated turret armed with a 25mm automatic cannon and a sensor mast. The AKREP IIe has a maximum cruising range of 200 km. Marketed with an electric drive system, the vehicle can be also fitted with a diesel power pack or a hybrid drive system. The Firtina NG, new generation, self-propelled howitzer benefits from new capabilities: onboard ballistic computer, electrically driven gun and turret aiming system, electrically driven automatic projectile loading system, and propellant conditioning unit turn the Firtina NG into a fully autonomous weapon. Using 3 different elevation angles and charge zones, the Firtina NG can hit the same target with 3 shells at the same time. The self-defense protection is provided by a remotely controlled weapon station armed with a .50 machine gun. The Turkish company Aselsan has developed the Pulat active protection system, able to detect and destroy on a 360-degree radius anti-tank missiles or rockets fired against combat vehicles. The Pulat can also handle multiple threats effectively at the same time. This APS can be adapted to different armored vehicles. At IDEF 2019, Aselsan's Pulat APS was mounted on the FNSS Kaplan medium tank and the demonstrator of the Altay main battle tank that will be manufactured by the Turkish company BMC. The Turkish company FNSS launched its new marine assault vehicles, dubbed ZAHA. This MAV is being developed as part of the Armored Amphibious Assault Vehicles project conducted by the Presidency of Defense Industries, SSB, to meet a need of the Turkish Naval Forces Command. FNSS will deliver a total of 27 vehicles, including 23 personnel carriers, 2 command and control vehicles, and 2 recovery vehicles. The APC version will have a crew of 3 and carry 21 soldiers. The vehicle is fitted with an FNSS-developed remote-controlled turret armed with a stabilized .50 M2 machine gun and a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. Turkish Aerospace unveiled the T-129 Attack II, its new multirole heavy combat helicopter. Within a service ceiling of 20,000 feet, the Attack II will have to fulfill numerous roles. The payload of the new helicopter will reach 1,200 kilos, excluding launchers. The Attack II will have 3 weapon stations per wing instead of 2, and will be able to carry either the current 20mm 3-barrel cannon or a 30mm one. With under its wing, it will carry 70mm rockets, air-to-ground or air-to-air missiles, and free-fall bombs. Many Turkish companies continue the development of wheeled armored vehicles, as BMC does, which presented a full family of combat vehicles based on the Kirpi 4x4 armored vehicle. OTOKAR showed for the first time a special forces vehicle based on the Ural 4x4 armored vehicle. FNSS showcased its Pars 4x4 vehicle armed with an anti-tank missiles. Tumuzan, a manufacturer of engines and transmissions, presented its first 4x4 armored vehicle, the Pulat. Koluman presented the LSA-4, a new special forces vehicle based on a 4x4 chassis using an open-top architecture.